Today I want to show you our new charcoal lighter. Now this product is the fastest, and if you ask me, the most fun way to light a charcoal or a wood pile. It's compact and easy to fit into any space. This bad boy's got 20,000 BTUs, so it will light anything and it will do it in a hurry. For lighting purposes, you're gonna wanna turn it to the low setting. It will blow out the spark if you try to light it on high. So you'll notice this little lever here, which is our safety mechanism on the trigger. You can't squeeze this unless you're pressing that. So to use it, it's very simple. Once it's lit, feel free to go ahead and crank it all the way up. And as you can see, there is a ton of power there. When you're done, all you do is just let go of the trigger, the flame immediately goes out. Once you light it, hold it directly above the center of the charcoal pile. About 2 minutes in one spot is all it takes, and that area is lit. It is a sustained fire at that point.